Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete a business profile on Google Map. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to google.com, and from here just search over here my business and enter. And from here you should be able to see here your business and just simply click on view profile over here, guys. And now from here, just simply go ahead and click on these three dots over here. And now after that, you should be able to see a pop-up and just simply go for business profile settings over here. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, remove business profile. So just simply click on over here. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on remove profile content and managers so you can delete it. And now click on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have a warning that all of these will be removed. So you will have an option as well to download the content so you can have a copy or a backup. So now from here, just simply click on continue. And as you can see, you will have a warning pop up and click on remove. And from there, you should be able to delete your business profile on Google Map. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.